Good evening, friends. So, after a long time, we are going to start again online classes according to the students' doubts of the particular chapters and the chapters which are taking a high weightage of marks in a competitive exams. So, I chosen the chapters which are important as per students' doubts of the chapters. I am going to start today class in this session. So please concentrate on it. The chapter name is acid, bases and salts. You don't think that it's not a easy chapter. When it comes to 7th standard, we have acid basis chapter. In 10th class also, we have acid basis chapter. That is up to their level, their knowledge and their level. But when it comes to the higher studies, acid basis chapter somewhat making the students get confused. So for that, the main thing is three theories are confusing. Acid basis chapter having three theories. That three theories I am going to explain today. That is what today I am going to start. The chapter is acid, bases and salts. Acids, bases and salts. In this already we know very well about the introduction, how to identify the acid, how to identify the base and salt with indicators and universal indicator, olfactory indicators, litmus paper and pH paper. Like the different kinds of indicators are there. By that we can identify the given solution whether acid or base. So in this chapter we are going somewhat depth. So that is I am going to explain about the theory. Three theories are there. That three theories. First one, Arhenius theory. Arhenius theory. Second one, Bronsted-Lowry theory. Third one, Lewis theory. Arrhenius theory, Bronsted-Lowry theory and Lewis theory. These three theories are very effective for competitive exams like IIT, NEET also. Last time in NEET question paper they asked two questions from these three theories. So that much important. So keep concentrate on it and I'm going to start about Arrhenius theory, first one. These two we will discuss later. First one, Arrhenius theory. According to Arrhenius theory, what is meant by acid? What is meant by acid? According to Arrhenius theory, the substances which can release H plus ions is called Arrhenius acid. The substances which can release H plus ions. H plus in the sense just like protons. So H plus ions. For example, the well-known acids I am taking, for example, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid and acetic acid. So when it is going to decompose, HCl is decomposed into H plus plus Cl minus, sulfuric acid decomposed into 2H plus SO4 minus 2. And nitric acid is there, it decomposes into H plus plus NO3 minus, and acetic acid is there, decomposes into CH3COO minus, acetate ion plus H plus. In these four equations, we can observe that H plus ion, H plus ion, H plus ion, H plus ion. So these substances are release H plus ions. So these all belonging to acids according to Arhenius theory. So this is about acids. Next, Arrhenius bases. What is meant by Arrhenius base and these examples? Base. What is meant by Arrhenius base? The substances which can release OH minus ions. OH minus. OH minus means hydroxide ions. OH minus ions means hydroxide ions is called Arrhenius base. The substances which can release OH minus ions is called Arrhenius base. For example, the well-known examples I am taking, that is sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide, and aluminum hydroxide. These bases, how they are going to decompose? NaOH, sodium hydroxide decompose into Na plus plus OH minus. Potassium hydroxide decompose into K plus plus OH minus. Magnesium hydroxide decompose into Mg plus 2 plus OH minus. Means how many there? 2 there. So 2OH minus. Aluminium decompose into aluminum hydroxide Al plus 3 plus 3OH minus. Here we can observe that OH minus ions. OH minus ions. So these substances are belonging to bases. Because of these substances are released hydroxide ions, OH minus ions. So this is about Arrhenius theory and very important right now.